What's up guys, my name is Chippers and I'm here to build Asura's Grand Prize. Before I begin the build, I would like to thank our sponsors. Our first sponsor, Antec, provided us with their beautiful gaming case, the Dark Avenger. This case will include their Prizm cooling matrix and they'll both be showcasing Antec's custom RGB lighting. Antec also sent us their fully modular gold certified 850 watt power supply. Our next sponsor, ASRock, provided their Z390 Phantom Gaming motherboard, and G.Skill came through with 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM from their Trident Z RGB series. The graphics card I'll be using is an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 GPU from Zotac. And finally, from Asura, I have their Genesis Xtreme 1TB M2 SSD with RGB lighting. Alright, let's get it!